Now we are solving question number 5 of this trigonometry for AS level. The question is, solve the equation sine of 2x is equal to 2 cos of 2x for x between 0 to 180 degree. This is the question statement there. Now we know that if we divide on both sides by cos of 2x, then sin x over cos x is basically equal to tangent of 2x is equal to 2. Then 2x is equal to tangent inverse of 2. Sixty-three point four. But it is 2x, so you are going to make two circles for this part. First, then it is tangent, which is positive in the first quadrant and in the third quadrant, because this is ASTC. That in the first all are positive, second sine is positive, third tangent is positive, and the fourth cos is positive. So 2x have these four values. It is A, it is B, it is C, it is D. So the values of 2x is equal to A, B, C, D, where A value is directly equal to the first quadrant, and that thing is equal to 63.4 degrees. Then in the third quadrant, it should be equal to 180 plus 63.4 degrees. Then it is A. So A plus 360 is the value of C for this part. This is the value of B. This is the value of A. And this value is for the C here. And D value is also equal to B plus 360. But we are given the range from 0 to 180. So we have only calculate A and B there. So 2x is equal to 63.4 degrees and so 2x is equal to 63.4 degrees and 243.4 degrees. Then x will be equal to 63.4 over 2 and 243.4 over 2. So x answer should be equal to 21.7 degrees or 127 degrees is the complete solution within the range of 0 to 180 for this question here. Question number 6 now. Prove the identity tangent square theta minus sine square theta is equal to tangent square theta into sine square theta. Second part, use this result to explain why tangent theta is greater than sine theta for theta lies between 0 to 90 degree. Tangent square theta minus sine square theta. Let's show the left hand side, which is tangent square theta minus sine square theta. But tangent square theta itself equal to sine square theta over cos square theta minus sine square theta. This thing is equal to, if sine square theta is common, it should be equal to 1 over cos square theta minus 1. That is equal to sine square theta. If cos square theta is LCM, then it should be equal to 1 minus cos square theta. That thing is equal to sine square theta into sine square theta over cos square theta. Cos 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. And this thing is equal to sine square theta into tan square theta, which is the right hand side of this expression here. For the second part, why tan theta is greater than sine theta in the range of 0 to 90 degree. If in this question, this tangent square theta minus sine square theta is equal to sine square theta cos square theta, we have proved. But this numerical value is always positive because it is the square. So we can write this thing as sine theta into tan theta whole square, which is always greater than 0, because if the negative values are there, even then the square is positive, and for the positive values it is always positive. Now, this value is equivalent to this left hand side. So that means tangent square theta minus sine square theta is also greater than 0, because this is greater than 0, so this value is equivalent to this part, so this value is also greater than 0. Or tangent square theta is greater than sine square theta, we shift it towards the right side of this. And if we take the square root of this, then tangent of theta is greater than sine of theta. That is why if theta lies between 0 to 90 degree, then tangent theta is always greater than sine theta. Because the first quadrant from 0 to 90, tangent, sine, cos, they are always positive. And we have seen it there. And if you really draw the graph of sine of x, so this is the graph of sine of x from 0 to 90, and this is the graph of 0 to 90 of the tangent of x. So you have seen it there that the values of this tangent theta is always greater than the value of sine theta in the first quadrant of this calculation, because we have to show it that when the angle is lying between 0 to 90, then tangent theta is always greater than sine theta there.